The 1,000 years quintessence blends in, when the wind of thousands of years fills in the air, where the green hills and blue water with high sky and golden land meet. In the past, Thong Thanh was one of the ancient lands of Vietnamese people, used to be the center of culture, religion, and economic during the 1,000 years of northern domination. Keeping up with the speed of industrial and urban development in Bắc Ninh province in general and Thong Thanh area in particular, the establishment of the third Thong Thanh urban industrial zone is an indispensable affirmation in development trend of this dynamic and potential economic zone. Thong Thanh 3 Industrial Zone project was established under the Prime Minister's document number 1546 TTG KTN on September 18, 2008 on additional adjustment of industrial zones in Bắc Ninh province into the industrial zones development plan in Vietnam with a total of 300 hectares. Location: Thong Thanh 3 Industrial Zone. Subdivision B belongs to the communes of Thanh Khương, Đại Đồng Thanh, Sông Hồ, Gia Dong, Định Tô, and Hoài Thương of Thong Thanh District, Bắc Ninh Province. The industrial zone is located along the National Highway 17, Ho Chi Minh City, Phu Thủy, south of Ho Town, 27 kilometers from Hanoi, 20 kilometers from Bắc Ninh City, 85 kilometers from Hải Phòng Port, and 55 kilometers from Nội Bài International Airport. In addition to implementing legal procedures related to project, the company has also implemented items such as environmental impact assessment, geological drilling, bomb and mine clearance on the whole project. With the advantages of urban development such as synchronous infrastructure, convenient transportation system, thanks to that connection, in the future, the industrial zone and the town of Thon Than No. 3 will become the large urban area of the south of Duong River, with a standard of Great Falls City, a satellite town of Bắc Ninh City and Hanoi capital. With the structure of industry, services, agriculture, industrial zones, industrial clusters are synchronized in terms of transportation and accompany services to promote investment. Currently, there are many projects of new urban and residential in areas such as Khai Son urban area, Thong Than 2 urban area, Thong Than 3 industrial zone in combination with urban area, contributed part of upgrading to synchronous transport infrastructure for the whole district to connect industrial parks, industrial clusters, urban areas and townships in the district with each other and with other neighboring localities in order to promote the market. To 2020, the district will be the new industrial district of this province and the capital city of South Duong River region, the most prominent of which is Thong Than 3 industrial urban area invested by Trung Quy Bắc Ninh Investment Transport Company. The actualization of this effort is the approval of the planning scheme with a service that has been considered and calculated specifically for the harmonizing synchronous development between industrial development and urban services, with the goal of continuing to attract high-tech industrial investors with large production value, synchronous construction of works such as traffic system for technical infrastructure, public works, commercial projects and services. Green trees and water sources and outdoor parking spaces create a monumental overall, yet open and friendly. In addition, there are projects of social housing, housing for laborers to support and improve workers' daily life, creating long-term attraction with human resources, as well as services to attract investors in a strong and sustainable way. The transportation system is arranged logically with streets cross-sections from 15.5 meter to 63 meter with a green space and convenient public works will be an ideal place for a modern yet peaceful life in the center of Kinh Bắc with 1,000 years of culture. In the near future, this will be the largest urban in the area with 130 hectares and especially very convenient for business with 2 industrial zones, Khai Son Industrial Park and Thong Than 3 Industrial Park along with the National Highway 17 connecting Hanoi, Bắc Ninh, Hải Dương, Quảng Ninh. Besides, the project is located beside the highway and the provincial road 282, very convenient traffic. In parallel with the development of urban planning economy, the investment in arterial and inter-regional roads will link traffic with industrial parks in the province. 27 kilometers from Hanoi, 20 kilometers from Bắc Ninh City, 85 kilometers from Hải Phòng Port, and 55 kilometers from Nội Bài International Airport, a key economic zone to create an industrial logistics supply chain connecting and creating convenient import-export. Efforts to synchronize investment from expansion of infrastructure, construction of urban service area to invest in connecting roads will bring sustainable development not only for the industrial zone but also for the future socio-economic development of the district in particular and the province in general. With the motto and core values, customer satisfaction is a measure of the success, customer-oriented, customer-centric, associate, cooperate, and develop together. Quality products, perfect service, sustainable development for the benefit of the company, shareholders, and the community. Therefore, Trung Quy Bắc Ninh Investment Transport Company always strives for sustainable development, becoming a prestigious enterprise in the field of infrastructure construction investment. The industrial park and urban area of Trung Quy Bắc Ninh will be the place where customers give their full trust, where the employees give their best, and the community enjoys many benefits. Trung Quy Bắc Ninh is committed to providing synchronized real estate products in terms of infrastructure as well as legally complete. For shareholders, it is guaranteed to use capital effectively and increase long-term benefits. To the community, it will be reassuring to be able to protect the environment and natural landscapes, contributing positively to humanitarian activities of the society. With all the devotion and enthusiasm, Trung Quy Transport Company commits to bring the best satisfaction to customers when coming to Thong Thanh 3 to build, cooperate, and together going toward a strong and sustainable development.